Okay, today we're going to look at the Baldwin B1400 oil filter. And you can get this at Rock Auto for $4.25. So let's get started. Except for it's supposed to get a tight. Get your inner ear, filtration of 99% medium, 99% filtration efficient. Alright, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Here's the date code 01072112345. Made in USA. And this is printed on, it's not a sticker. She has 8 inlet holes. And I believe I see a bypass valve down there. Metal core with louvers. And she's got a good amount of grooves also here for threads. Let's see how this O-ring is. It's a nitro rubber O-ring gasket. It's on there pretty good. Yeah, it's on there. It's on there fairly good. I say we open this baby up and see what she looks like inside. Okay, and here she is cut open. Let's see how much she weighs. .1 ounces. How about the base plate? 3 ounces even. Like I was saying earlier, it's got a nice amount of threads here. It's a nice base plate. It's got a good O-ring on it. And any drain back valve. This is a nitro rubber. And you got your metal end caps. And I counted 45 pleats. And I don't see a seam on here anywhere. So it's probably got one of those inner seams. And the inside, you see it when I cut it open. Got a bypass valve down here. This is set for 14 psi. And what's this weigh? 2.4 ounces. We got a spring in here, which is nice. Keeps everything nice and tight. And the metal can. It just feels like an average can. Let's see, 0.4. That's about average. What's the width on this? It's a small filter. It's only like 1 inch. It's not even an inch wide. Let's see if I can get it over here. Yeah, there we go. 1 inch wide. It's a small filter. It's wide though this way. 2.35 inches. 1.6 inches. Yeah, I believe this fits like some of your Nissan Jukes. 6 cylinders. Probably, a variety of other vehicles, of course. Let's cut this baby open and see how long she is. Okay, here she is all stretched out. And this has got to be the smallest amount of filter media I've ever seen in an oil filter. It's 42.25 inches long. But look at that little gap. Yeah, it's a small one. Okay, well here's the filter media, which there isn't much of. It feels like it's it feels pretty good. I guess it's pretty good filter media. It's a small filter. I mean, this is only a $4 and some change filter, so you can't expect too much. But it did have an inside seam. You can see it here. And it pulled out when I was cutting it. It was crimped, but this is all, it's glued in there real good, so it just came apart. But it wouldn't come apart normally. I mean, this is all well. I wonder if I can get this off and see the inside of that. They glue these together pretty good. Yeah, let's start trying to cut. Yeah, it's just gonna all come apart, but there's a spring in there. You guys seen these before, I'm sure, in my other videos. See, they're glued in. These are hard to get out sometimes. Cut them because, see that? I started cutting it. See where I started cutting it. But yeah, that's about it for this filter. I mean, it's not a bad filter for $4.25. So I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.